Hi everyone, today I'm starting by doing a circle section around the crown of the head, getting my 3 strands here up front, and I'm going to do a French braid. So my left strand goes over my middle and my right goes over my middle. Adding hair, going over, and now I'm adding hair to this strand and going over my middle. So I'm going to continue doing this all the way down this section to the back of the head. Again, adding hair, going over my middle strand, adding hair to the side here, and going over my middle strand. And again, continuing this all the way down the head, and then I'm going to tie it off with an elastic in the back. So I made a 1-inch section going all the way around the head. I'm splitting this into 3 pieces, going under with my right, under with my left, and I'm gonna only add to my right strand, or this bottom strand, depending on how you're looking at it. And my left strand will be to lock in. So I'm adding hair to my right strand here and locking it in with my left. I want the braid to sit towards the top of the section, so that's where I'm holding my hands. Wherever your hands are will be the direction your braid sits. So I'm just holding it up towards the top, tension towards me, again locking it in with my left strand. So I'm gonna do this all the way through to the back of the head, right where I have my other braid. And now I'm going to the opposite side of the head. Again, just the same 1-inch section I took, and I'm gonna go all the way to the back of the head again. And I'm tying the hair ties just right where they meet this top braid that I did. So I'm tying this up right here, and I made another 1-inch section around the head, and I'm gonna do the same thing over again, the same kind of braid, just all the way to the back of the head, and then tie it off. And then I will go to the other side here and do the same thing. So now that we have all the 5 braids done, I'm taking all this excess hair and I'm gonna put it up in a ponytail. I'm gonna use a thicker hair tie here just to hold all the hair, and I'm gonna tie this up. So now I'm taking this ponytail and I'm just gonna do a simple French braid here. I'm gonna go left strand over my middle strand, right strand over my middle strand. And I'm gonna continue this all the way down to the ends of the hair, as far down as I can go. And then I will tie it up with an elastic. Now that I have this tied off, I'm going to go through and just stretch it out very gently. And I'm going to start wrapping it around almost like a bun, and I'm gonna pin it where I want it to sit on the head. And I'm just gonna do this all the way to the end of the braid. And this is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share.